Let me know also if you want like a battle of the beauty blenders and see which beauty blender works best. I say that 10 times fast. Jeez. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got for Christmas, makeup, cosmetic wise. I am super excited. If you guys love to see kind of haul videos, or if you love to see like what people got as gifts or for Christmas, then this is the video for you because I have a lot of it. If you like makeup, this is the one for you. By the way, sorry about all the brightness in the background. It is crazy. And yes, I overdrew my lip line. It started out as a regular lip, and I kept making it bigger and bigger. Sorry, not sorry. But let's get into some gifts. I'm gonna do them by makeup brand sections, and then at the end of the video, I want you guys to let me know which videos you would like to see first, because I've kind of accumulated video ideas for each of these little sections. Some of them I can do in like a couple videos, some of them I can just do all at once. So if you guys would like to see something specific, definitely let me know, because I am going to be trying all of these things out for you guys. So the first brand we have is Morphe. Now I have heard all about this, so of course I got it. It is the continuous setting spray, and I have never tried that before, so I'm excited for that. And then I got 5 brand new brushes, and these are all detailing brushes. So I'm excited for these because I really want to try and make more detailed looks this year and be more bold and be more ambitious with them. So I'm excited for those tiny little detailing brushes. I also did get an eyelid primer from them, and it came with some sponges. I think it was this sponge, but I did get 2 Morphe sponges. And for this video, for this Morphe video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the setting spray, but also this eyelid primer, and I'm going to be using those little detailed brushes, and I'm going to be putting my base on with the sponges. But also, the palette I got is 35 AM. And actually, if you guys weren't aware, I did give this to my best friend for Christmas, and I'll link her channel below so you can go check it out when she unwraps it for the first time. She loved it. I have not unwrapped mine. This, okay. Ooh, oh gosh, I hope it's not broke. Nope. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, guys, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I will be using the eye brushes for this. It's so big I can't even fit it in there. I'll be using the eye brushes on this beautiful palette here. And all of these Morphe items will be comprised into one video. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, just let me know. And let's move on to the next thing. The next brand is JUVIAS Place, and these were such a good deal. I actually got 2 of everything right here, and I am giving one of these whole entire sets here away to you guys when I reach 500 subscribers. So I did get the Nubian loose highlighter, and this will be an entire video. Now I can probably do 2 videos, one for each palette, but for right now, I got a brush set, so I'll be reviewing the brushes. I got that highlighter. I got the Magic Mini, and that looks like this. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to use this. And then I did get the Masquerade. Now, I think this one has a mini, but this thing's gigantic. I think they were out of the mini online. So you guys are going to be getting this gigantic one as well. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, these are so... Alright, this one is amazing. It has 2 rows of neutrals and 2 rows of colors. And holy... These are huge! So that is what I got from JUVIAS Place. And you will be getting both palettes, the brush set, and the highlighter once I reach 500 subscribers. So I hope you guys are excited about that, because I am so excited about that. And all of these will be in one video, but I can do 2 separate palettes. Oh, I did get 6 more palettes. They're coming. They're in the mail. They were all $10 each. I don't know if they're still $10 each, but when I bought them online, they were all on sale for $10. So I am also getting 6 new palettes from Juvia's place. And those should be here soon, hopefully. This next one I actually got from my mom. Thanks, Mom. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a 5 days of color if you guys want to see this one first. So I'll do Monday through Friday, or whatever 5 days I want, probably Monday through Friday. And I am going to be doing one of these Huda Beauty palettes every day and create a look. So I have all 5 of their Huda Beauty obsessions for all the gem ones. The first one is Huda Beauty Topaz, and that looks like this. Beautiful warm neutrals. The next one is the Ruby Obsessions, and this one looks like this. Beautiful. Reds kind of make me look ill, so that one is probably going to be the one that is going to be the trickiest for me. That and probably the blue one. Alright, this is the Huda Beauty Emerald. And I love how the colors of the diamond here showcase the colors inside. That is so creative and beautiful. I love greens. I think greens look great on my brown eyes, so this one I am really excited about. I think the color for the transitions are going to be a little bit more difficult, but I'll make it work. This one is the Huda Beauty Sapphire. And this one I'm probably going to have some issues with. Oh, these are so bright, but they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, that dark blue in the corner, yes. The last one, my favorite, is the Huda Beauty Amethyst. And this one, oh my. Just look how beautiful those, oh, that one in the middle is killing my soul right now. So if you guys are interested in seeing these, let me know. So 5 days of amazing Huda Beauty color. The next brand is COLOURPOP, and this one I'm gonna mix into 2 different videos, but I got 5 lipsticks here, and let me show you the colors. So I got these 5 colors, and I will be using those in a couple videos, obviously other videos, but I think I'll do about 2 videos for my COLOURPOP haul. And I did get, okay, you guys, I bought 2 of that really cool Dream collection that they just had, the rainbow one. And when I got these 2 shadows in the mail, I don't know if you can see, they had a smudgy, nasty fingerprint on the inside of the actual packaging. I was like, ew, that's kind of disgusting. Like, was this used? And then they sent me a used one? I had no clue, but it was only on these 2 iridescent ones, which, by the way, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. But it was just on these 2 iridescent SuperShock Shadows. And then I got 3 regular SuperShock Shadows, some different colors. Oh, okay. And then I got 1 Jelly Much shadow. I want to get all of them for right now, but I did get Hallucinogenius. It's so pretty. The next thing I did get was the Dream Sequence highlighter palette. So I will be using these. And then I got Good Sport, which is a really fall themed palette, but I think I could probably make it work for a winter themed look. I just loved these colors together. They're so beautiful. And I love ColourPop's formula. So if this is something you want to see, just let me know below. All right, the next brand is Becca. So I did get the Becca face palette. And I think for this video, I would love to do a full face with this, but also I would like to do a comparison video with this against my Hourglass ambient lighting edit. So I think I might do the two together, kind of like a face palette face off. Ooh, there we go. Boom. So there's that. It's gorgeous. Oh, and it's so like luxurious. Oh, it's beautiful, and I just got fingerprints all over it, so now it's ugly. Okay, and then I did get 2 Light Chaser highlighters, and one is Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini. So this is really beautiful. And then I have Pearl Flashes Gold. I also got the Becca Macaron Collection, and so I will be testing all of these highlighters out eventually, probably in separate videos. But for the most part, I really will just be doing a video on this versus the Hourglass, and then I will be doing these highlighters throughout all of my looks, so just keep an eye out for those. So let me know if that's something that you are interested in seeing. Alright, the next brand I got, I actually will probably be doing 3 videos with these just because I got 3 palettes. So it is BH Cosmetics, and I got a Royal Affair. These colors are so pretty. There is a ton of matte selections, but also a ton of shimmers. And I think this could pull spring, winter, and fall. I love this color selection, so this will be in a video. I got the Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette. So, I mean, this is basically what they look like inside. They're gigantic. So they're pretty big pans. If you guys, I will be using these probably in every one that I do the palette with. I'll go ahead and do a highlighter as well. I did get the Desert Oasis. Oh, these colors. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Like, the packaging is so luxurious feeling, and this has a mix of highlighters and eyeshadows, but also the highlighters you can use as eyeshadows. I don't know why this is not focusing on me. I did get, I'm excited for these as well. I'll be using these probably in a couple videos. They are these foiled eyeshadows, so I'm going to be trying these out as well. The last palette from BH Cosmetics, I actually have this first one. I'm going to see if I can link the video above. I'm not sure if it's too old to link above, but it is the second Zodiac palette, Love Signs. Look how beautiful! Oh my gosh. This one has more warm tones and more like blues, so I am so excited for this one. Let me know down below if a BH Cosmetics video or 2 or 3 is something you would like to see first, or a specific palette, because I'm gonna do whatever makeup items you guys want me to do first. Alright, last thing I have, I won't be doing videos on, these are just various items that I got. Alright, so I did get, oh, it's ripping, Solar Orbit bath bombs. Oh, they're gigantic. I can't wait to take a bubble bath. I'm doing that tonight. I did get infused with antimicrobial silver, Eco Tools Fresh Perfecting Blender. Ooh, okay. So I got that. Let me know if you guys have any of these beauty blenders as well. Let me know also if you want like a battle of the beauty blenders and see which beauty blender works best. I say that 10 times fast. Jeez, Collagen Hydrogel Gold Mask. So I'm excited to be using this. I'll probably use this tonight as well. And I did get the Real Techniques beauty blenders as well. Well, I guess they're not beauty blenders because they're real. It's a beauty sponge. I think Beauty Blender has trademarked that. I got toilet bombs, unicorn poop. So apparently, whenever you have to poop, you just plop one of these in the toilet. Boom. Everybody poops. And my absolute favorite perfume in the world, Ralph Lauren. Ralph by Ralph Lauren. Yes, this smells like what dreams are made of. That's what this smells like. But anyways, let me know down below what you guys are interested in seeing first. And I'm so excited to start doing all these videos for you guys. Okay. Oh, did I miss anything? I don't even know. Did I miss something? Probably. But also, let me know what you guys got for Christmas, or if you guys have a video haul on your Christmas stuff. I'd love to see those as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I am going to show you guys, so if this is something you're interested in, why aren't you focusing? Why am I look like I had claws.